Moses and the Last Dragon. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, there lived a brave young man named Moses. He was known for his courage, kindness, and his long flowing black hair that waved in the wind wherever he went. Although many admired his strength, Moses believed that wisdom was more powerful than force. One day, a frightened traveler arrived in Ajat with shocking news. "The last dragon has awakened," he cried. "Its roar echoes through the mountains, and no one dares go near its cave." The villagers were terrified. They believed the dragon would destroy their homes, so they asked Moses to save the village. Carrying only his walking staff, a lantern, and a small bag of food, Moses climbed the highest mountain. Along the way, he crossed rushing rivers, walked through dark forests, and solved ancient puzzles carved into giant stones. Each challenge taught him patience instead of fear. At last, Moses reached the dragon's cave. Inside stood the most magnificent dragon anyone had ever imagined. Its emerald green scales shimmered like jewels. Its golden horns sparkled in the sunlight, and its enormous wings stretched across the cave like giant sails. The dragon's bright blue eyes looked fierce, but they were filled with sadness rather than anger. Instead of attacking, Moses calmly spoke to the dragon. "Why are you hiding here alone?" he asked. The dragon sighed deeply. "I am the last of my kind," it replied. "People fear me because they do not understand me." At that moment, a group of greedy treasure hunters rushed into the cave. They wanted to capture the dragon and steal the glowing crystals that surrounded its nest. Moses quickly realized that fighting would only make the situation worse. Using his wisdom, he led the treasure hunters into a maze of narrow tunnels where they became lost. While they searched for a way out, Moses and the dragon escaped through a hidden passage. The dragon carried Moses high above the mountains. Together, they returned safely to Ajat. When the villagers saw that the dragon was peaceful, they welcomed it instead of fearing it. The dragon promised to protect the forests, rivers, and wildlife, while the villagers promised never to hunt dragons again. Years passed, and the friendship between Moses and the last dragon became a legend told across many kingdoms. Travelers came from distant lands to hear the incredible story of the young man who defeated fear, not with violence, but with courage, wisdom, and compassion. Whenever children asked Moses what made him a hero, he always smiled and answered, "True bravery is choosing wisdom when others choose fear." And so the last dragon was never lonely again, and the village of Ajat enjoyed peace and prosperity for generations. Moral bravery and wisdom can overcome any challenge.